Today, we're diving into a quick guide on how to prevent Roblox from accessing your camera on PC after the recent update. If you're looking to enhance your privacy while playing, follow these simple steps. First, open Roblox in your preferred web browser. Make sure you're signed in so you can properly adjust the settings. Next, look at the web address bar at the top of your screen. You'll notice a small icon or a lock symbol next to the URL. Click on that icon to view the site information. This is where you can manage permissions for websites you visit. Once you click on the icon, a menu will pop up. Find and select Site Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize various permissions for Roblox. Now, scroll down to the section labeled Permissions. Here, you'll see different options related to what Roblox can access. Find the camera permission, which might be set to Allow by default. Click on it and change the setting to Block. This will effectively prevent Roblox from accessing your camera, keeping your gaming experience private. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've ensured your camera is protected while playing Roblox. Remember, maintaining your privacy online is essential, especially with platforms that have significant user interaction. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on keeping your online experience safe and enjoyable. Happy gaming!